The young guinea pigs protected in the middle during any movement. When they are motionless or they halt or curve, then they do not need to protect it in single file, and they can scream or shriek or squawk in any condition they live, whether in motion or not. So choice A, B, D, and E are unfit as correct answer. We can eliminate choice A, B, D, and E. March as choice C means walking in a military manner with a regular measured tread, which is denoted by marching in single file, which relevantly reflects the meaning of march in comparison with other options as choices. Guinea pigs always march in single file in an organized way, keeping the largest one at the front and protecting the young in the middle simultaneously. So the correct answer is choice C.